Hello.
Hello, my name is Juha. My family name is Suutari, and my friend name Sutki.
Okay, this is my mentor. I have learning much from him. He is nice people and kindly.
Yes, Vikri, you are very good man.
Okay.
Special.
No,
man.
no, you is very special man because you have many special tools.
Okay, thank you.
And how about tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Vappu.
What is mean Pappu?
Vappu is a Finnish walk party.
Oh, okay.
Let's talk about holidays tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow is no work.
No walk.
It's holiday time.
Okay.
And how are you doing?
Tomorrow I'm running.
Yeah.
No drinking.
No drinking, no alcohol,
Yeah.
no cigarette.
Okay.
Because him is healthy boy.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you. See you later.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Finnish. Mitä kuuluu? Vain hyvä. Mitä kuuluu?
Mitä kuuluu?
Hyvä.
Hyvä.
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.